Coming up on Valley Shore Community News, we spotlight a special organization making a difference in their community.
We distributed the money to the local nonprofits.
Check out a new transportation hub that was years in the making.
It means a great deal, not only for Westbrook, because it's a regional train station.
And get a behind-the-scenes look at the new Shoreline Medical Center.
The rooms are bigger, so it's going to be easier and more comfortable for patients. It's going to be better for staff and better for our ambulance crews who are going to be coming in and bringing in patients.
Stay tuned. Valley Shore Community News starts now. Hello, and welcome to Valley Shore Community News. My name is Ryan Johnson. There are many great local community organizations in our region, but one in particular has been serving the community of Essex for over 50 years. The Essex Community Fund brings the true meaning to giving back.
$54,675. That's the total amount of money we were able to collect and distribute this year.
On Wednesday, March 26th, local charities gathered together at the Centerbrook Meeting House for the annual Essex Day of Giving. Donations collected throughout the year were distributed to many local organizations. Past president of the Essex Community Fund, Darwin Azanero, describes how all the funds were raised.
We collect money from different sources, mostly from people in town. We collect it through a mailer that we send out twice a year, and then we distribute the money to the local nonprofits.
One example of a local beneficiary was Bushy Hill Nature Center. Bushy Hill's director, Stephen Trojan, details how the donations are put to good use.
The Essex Community Fund helped us with scholarships for local families. We serve families throughout the Tri-Town area, and Essex families locally take advantage of the scholarship funding.
Along with their monetary needs, the Essex Community Fund assists organizations in a variety of other ways.
Once a year we hand out money, which we did today. We call it the Day of Giving. So that helps them from a financial perspective. But we also partner with them to promote ourselves, but also we promote other organizations that way as well when we're participating in the illuminations and the Pumpkin Festival, those kind of things.
The Essex Day of Giving is an annual event that many organizations look forward to. It shows how caring people in the community can come together and make a difference. For Valley Shore Community News, I'm Cobi O'Connell with Ryan Johnson on camera.
Connecticut Commuter Rail's Shoreline East service has been serving the shoreline towns for over 20 years and only recently opened permanent stations at each of their stops. The final station renovation was recently completed in Westbrook. It will provide a new gateway into the town. On Tuesday, March 25th, the daily routine of commuters in the Westbrook area accelerated in a new direction. The new Shoreline East train station in Westbrook opened to the public and was well received by the surrounding community. Westbrook First Selectman Noel Bishop believes that the new station is more than just a stop along the route.
It means a great deal, not only for Westbrook, because it's a regional train station, so the entire region benefits from it, and our shoreline communities are very united in terms of transportation, shopping, and so on, so that's a major, major advantage to us.
Over the last few years, the need for public transportation has been on the rise. Commissioner of the Connecticut Department of Transportation, Jim Rediger, sees expanding Shoreline East as a way to meet the increasing needs of commuters.
You know, Shoreline East is really, I think, part of the vitality of Southeast Connecticut, and it's seen continued growth. It's seen that because of incremental but important and significant investments in Shoreline East and in the stations, and ridership continues to grow last year up again by 5%.
With economic recovery on the minds of lawmakers, Representative Tom Bacino describes the train station as a new beacon for business in the region.
This is a direct route into our community to help stimulate economic development, help out with tourism, people visiting, and this is a big win.
The new station features several improvements, including 2 elevated platforms connected by a pedestrian bridgeway and a larger parking lot. Westbrook resident and railroader Tom Carasay compliments the upgrades.
From those shelters back in '89 to this remarkable, permanent, beautiful structure, we've come a long way, the Shoreline East.
This new regional gateway will continue to serve rail travelers while also providing countless benefits to the surrounding community well into the future. Reporting for Valley Shore Community News, I'm Ryan Johnson with Miles Aspinwall on camera. Shoreline East is continuing to grow and add more trains to its schedule. Visit your local train station for more information. With healthcare constantly in the news, One Connecticut Hospital is making strides to improve the quality of health services to the Valley Shore area. Middlesex Hospital recently completed a brand new, state-of-the-art facility, now open in Westbrook.
Healthcare along the shoreline just had a major overhaul with the opening of the new Middlesex Hospital Shoreline Medical Center. Located in Westbrook, the new facility incorporates the latest state-of-the-art technology to improve the quality of care. EMS manager for Middlesex Hospital, Jim Santacroce, is excited about what the new medical center means for the shoreline communities.
The new facility is really great. It's going to be able to accommodate a lot more people than we do now. Gives us lots of room to work around. The staff are just delighted with the size and the technology that's built into this facility. And as you can see in our ambulance bay area here, it allows for 5 ambulances to very comfortably park, where right now everything's pretty cramped in.
Medical Director of the Middlesex Hospital Shoreline Medical Center, Benjamin Segal, details the process behind customizing the new facility to the needs of both patients and staff.
We built this new facility together with the architects and the engineers, going around to different emergency departments in the state and even in New England, evaluating what they had, and we decided what we liked and didn't like. One of the innovative things we did is we have little cutouts in the walls, and so at certain points along the way throughout the department there are actually alcoves that are cut out where they can park their computers on wheels, still be near their patients within their assignment, but out of the way, and that's something that's actually pretty new. I haven't seen anyone else do that.
Apart from just benefiting the staff, the new features of the Shoreline Medical Center bring many improvements to the patient's care.
For us, the equipment and things that they have that's available in the rooms is going to make it a lot easier. Just for even just day-to-day bringing patients in. The rooms are bigger, so it's going to be easier and more comfortable for patients. It's going to be better for staff and better for our ambulance crews who are going to be coming in and bringing in patients.
Location was extremely important to Middlesex Hospital in the planning phases of the new facility, allowing it to provide care to a larger population.
Being on a major road as opposed to where we were before allows people to get to us faster. So our catchment area is larger. You know, people tend to come to a facility that's within 20 or 30 minutes from where they live. And so 20 or 30 minutes on a highway is a lot further away than 20 or 30 minutes on Route 153.
Seeing its first patients on Monday, April 28th, the new Middlesex Hospital Shoreline Medical Center hopes to bring a sense of reassurance to the residents of the Shoreline community. With videographer Cobi O'Connell, I'm Jimmy Nettleton, Valley Shore Community News.
Here at Valley Shore Community News, we want to hear from you, our viewers. Have an idea or suggestion for our show? Fill out the form on the contact page of VSCTV's website, www.vsctv.com. Thank you for joining us this episode of Valley Shore Community News. I'm Ryan Johnson. We'll see you next time.